Let's talk about the Earth, Sun, and Moon system. Today, we're diving into the dynamic relationship between the Earth, Moon, and Sun, and how their motions create patterns like lunar phases, eclipses, and the seasons. Let's explore how this cosmic system works and how it affects life on Earth. The Earth, Moon, and Sun form an interacting system that produces observable, predictable patterns. The sun is the main source of light and energy in this system. Its light travels in straight lines and powers almost everything we experience, from weather to plant growth. The Earth rotates on a tilted axis once every 24 hours, causing day and night. It also orbits the sun once a year, giving us a repeated cycle of seasons. The moon doesn't produce its own light. It reflects sunlight. As the moon orbits Earth, we see different portions of the lit side. These visible changes are called the phases of the moon. From new moon to full moon and back again, the phases follow a predictable monthly pattern based on the moon's position relative to the Earth and the sun. Unlike the Earth, the moon both rotates on its axis and orbits Earth around once every month. So because the rotation and orbit take the same amount of time, the same side of the moon is always facing Earth. Let's now talk about eclipses. Eclipses occur when the sun, Earth, and moon align precisely. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, blocking the light from the sun and casting a shadow on Earth. This can only occur during a new moon when the moon is directly between the sun and Earth. On the other hand, a lunar eclipse happens when the Earth is between the sun and the moon, blocking sunlight from reaching the moon. This occurs during a full moon when the Earth is directly between the sun and the moon. Eclipses are rare because the moon's orbit is tilted compared to Earth's orbit around the sun, so perfect alignment doesn't happen every month. Now let's talk about seasons. Seasons are caused by Earth's tilt, not its distance from the sun. Earth is tilted at about 23.5 degrees. That means the North Pole isn't going straight up. It's tilted slightly to one side. This tilt causes variations in sunlight throughout the year. Remember, the distance between the Earth and Sun stays about the same all year and does not cause seasonal change. In fact, the Earth is closest to the Sun in early January, showing that the distance from the Sun does not cause seasons. The tilt of the Earth causes seasons. So when a hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, it receives more direct sunlight and longer days. That's what we call summer. When a hemisphere is tilted away, the sunlight is less direct and the days are shorter. We call that winter. Because neither the North and South Pole, because those poles can't both be tilted towards the sun at the same time, the northern and southern hemispheres have opposite seasons. When it's winter in the northern hemisphere, it's summer in the southern hemisphere. When it's spring in the northern hemisphere, it's fall in the southern hemisphere. So, what's the big idea? The movements of the Earth and the moon, along with Earth's tilt, creates repeating patterns, phases of the moon, solar and lunar eclipses, and the cycle of seasons. These patterns help scientists predict celestial events and understand how Earth fits into the solar system. Thank you so much for watching this video.